Hello everybody, Aki here. Welcome back to Coffee Talk. Last time, a werewolf, a vampire, and a police officer visited the shop, and we are going to continue playing this game again. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, everyone, and chilling while I read some while I read it aloud with you. I hope you enjoy this video. The Evening Whispers, free of charge. Thursday, September 24, 2020. Despite losing a member, Super Smile's latest album sold 1 million copies. Blogging is now part of curriculum at some private high schools. Top workplace racial profiling. The Orcish Workers Union demands. I'm still hungry. Okay, alright. Welcome. Yo. A cup of honey milk, please. Right away. What? Honey milk. Honey milk. Honey milk. Okay. Milk, honey. I hope I am right. Honey milk. Alright. Your honey milk is ready. Thank you. You're welcome. Hey Akiyama, seems like there's a cat. Oh my god, she got in with me. Relax, it's okay. Hey, kitty cat. What are you looking for? Want some milk? Hi barista. Yes, I'd love some milk. Holy. You look like you've just seen a ghost. No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be rude. It's been a while since the last time I saw a Nekomimi transform me. We rarely do that in public. I guess you don't have many Nekomimi friends. I won't say I have. You folks usually use your feline form to commute, if I'm not mistaken. That's right. Well, commuting as a cat sounds more practical than commuting as a than computing in a bipedal form. Kind of. Anyway, before we continue, can I have my milk please? I'm sorry. What kind of milk do you want? Just milk. No additional stuff or anything? No, milk and nothing else. Okay. Here is your milk, miss. Fresh milk for the lady with the pretty smile. Thank you. Are you hitting on an underage girl? I was just giving her a compliment. Thank you for the compliment. It's really good. You're welcome. What's a young girl like you doing alone this late? I'm not a young girl. I'm a grown up who can take care of herself. You don't look like a grown up. What? I'm 18. Yeah, that's exactly what I'd call you too young. Well, I'm not an old lady like you for sure. Besides, I've been earning a living since I was 13 years old. So I'm definitely not a kid anymore. How? I'm sure you know. I don't. Oh my, are you? Just say it. If this is something illegal, or if you are in danger, blink twice. Really? With a cute face like mine? Exactly. Seriously, you've never seen me on TV or social media? I don't want to sound like a snob, but I don't watch mainstream media. Pff, snob. Part of the broke but woke movement, I see. You must be the broke part. I don't see you ordering any drinks. What? Too broke for a cup of coffee? Haha. She's not that great for business, no. Oh, really? Sometimes I wonder, could this coffee shop survive without me? What are you waiting for, Grandma? Make your order. Is this some kind of made coffee experiment or something? So, do you want to order? The usual. Your espresso's ready. As good as usual. Glad you like it. Wait a minute. You do look familiar. Are you in a pop group? Are you Rachel Florencia? The member of Super Smiles who just graduated and started her solo career? Uh-huh. You're not a lost cause after all, Grandma. Dear Lord. Rachel. Oh, 29th of February, so big year. Leap year. That brings us back to my first question. What the hell are you doing here? Drinking milk? I'm serious. But you can see with your own eyes, right? I'm really here to drink milk. How come this coffee shop attracts so many weird people? Well, while we do have a lot of unusual customers, this is the first time we've had a famous celebrity to visit. I had this famous celebrity visit to drink milk, no less. Yay, achievement unlocked. Now seriously, why are you here? Well, you know, the usual young folks problems. I had a fight with my father, and so here I am. I see. But is it okay for a celebrity like you to be out alone this late? You don't need to worry about me. I can turn into a cat. Now I'm really worried. Anyway, what happened? My dad, we got into an argument. He doesn't like my line of work. He always saw my profession as something negative. But I love what I'm doing. What about your mother? What are her thoughts on your career choice? She passed away a few years ago. I'm sorry to hear that. It's alright. Your dad know anything about the entertainment industry? He used to work in showbiz decades ago. So yeah, he does know a thing or two. Okay. Good evening, Akiyama. Good evening, girls I've never met before. I just saw you yesterday. Just kidding, Freya. Anyway, Akiyama. Yes, officer. I need something for my sore throat. Can you get a brother a cup of green tea with lemon and honey? Green tea, right? Green tea. and honey. Cup syrup. Your special drink is ready. Well, well, well. What do we have here? It's my special cup syrup. Yeah, that was the part of it. Oh man. Father of 3 beautiful girls. Nice. It's my special cup syrup. What do you call it? Cup syrup? Of course you do. Let's see whether this drink tastes as good as it smells. Damn, this is great. How's your day doing? Anything out of the ordinary patrol on your patrol? Yeah. Anything interesting today? Actually, I witnessed something scary on my ship today. Tell me. You sure want to hear it? You sure you want to hear it? Yes. The scary thing I witnessed was my salary. Seriously. Yeah, today is payday. And I checked the ATM during my shift. Such a horrible sight. Other than that, and the labor union protest, everything is fine though. Okay, said it's fine. We got a young celebrity lurking around by herself. Ain't that strong proof that this area is safe? Hey, thank you for the drink and the place to sit. I'm going back now. Oh, thank you for coming. Hope you enjoy your time. What the hell was that? She just sat there and read. I'm sure that's pretty normal in a coffee shop. I mean, you always do that here when you're writing. I guess you're right. Anyway, where were we? Oh yes. What are you doing here, young lady? It's pretty late, you know. I don't have anywhere else to go. And this place look cozy. I see. So you basically wanted to go to a bar, but you're underage, right? How did you know? You can read minds now, old man. I have a daughter around her age. It's easy to translate what they say, especially when you have to deal with them every day. I don't know why you're here, but everything's gonna be okay. You can forget all of your problems while you're here. Dude, you're a cop. It's not his job to take care of someone else's daughter. He is a cop. That is exactly his job. Relax, friend. Don't be so uptight. Yeah. Mr. Policeman here made me feel much safer already. You know it yourself, Freya. This place is very safe. Right, Officer Georgie? Of course, this is the safest place around here. Hey, that endorsement comes with a discount, right? What? Don't look at me that way. You're a capital man. Akla ko yan. I deal with crimes in public safety. How should I know how to handle someone else's daughter? You should know. You are a father yourself. Oh, right. Guys, you know I can hear you, right? Really? See, Freya, she has a good hearing. That should help her protect herself. Anyway, Miss Rachel, what brings you here? As I told the others, I had a fight with my dad. Haha. Why are you laughing? Me and my daughter fight every day. Hey, why would you say that? Because it's true. I've fought a lot with my kids. That's normal. In fact, whenever we finish arguing about something, we became close as a family. Become close as a family. Huh? Because when things have calmed down, I learn something about them. And they learn something about me as well. As long as we don't leave things unresolved, an argument makes things better. But it happens often, so often. Tonight was just among countless others. He wasn't like this before it happened. You mean before your solo career? No, before mom passed away. What happens after each fight? Nothing. We just don't talk about it until another fight starts. Unresolved problems are dangerous. It ain't easy, but you gonna understand each other better. But I hate to admit, conflict is always the best way to know someone, even your own blood. But it was never this bad when mom was around. She's the only one who understood me. And she understood you. And she also understood your father. Maybe he and your mom also had arguments, but your mom acted as a mediator between the two of you. That's possible. Now that mom's gone, I don't have anyone to act as my guardian. And your dad, he lost his best negotiator. Wait a second. You said this has happened a lot. But why did you run this time? My daughter never ran away. Wait. Maybe it's because I'm the one who always ran away. Using my job as an excuse. I can confirm that. Yeah, I ran here a lot. But yeah, I hate to tell you again. You both gotta resolve your issues. Unresolved problems are dangerous. In any relationship. I kinda understand what you're going through, Rachel. I also ran away when I was younger. Are you in a good terms with your parents now? I am. When and how did it happen? To be honest, I'm not even sure myself. It just happened. Maybe I should run even farther. I mean, I have my own income. I don't need to rely on my dad. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that. Why? I'm an adult. No adult would ever say I'm an adult. Just give yourself time to think, Miss Rachel. And try to understand your father's perspective. I'm sure both of you will able to solve this like adults. You don't need to rush to a decision. I'm not sure about that. Just take your time. But now I would recommend you to just go home. It's really late. I need to go home as well. I can give you a ride, but you don't need to talk to your father right away. Just go straight to your room. At least knowing you're safe at home will give him some peace. That will allow him to think more clearly about everything. You're right. You really are a cop, Georgie. Of course I am. So where do you live, Miss Rachel? In the western part of Neko Town. Oh, that's quite far. You're still going to drive me home, right? Odd man. Of course I will. Should I drive you home to Miss Freya? No, you don't have to. I'm riding my bike. Are you sure? 100% sure. Okay, we'll be off then. Thank you, Akiyama and Freya. Take care on your way home. See you around, Akiyama. Oh man, I love reading I can't explain it. My feet. And there they went. Yes. Can stay longer if you want. Nice, fine. I also have to call it a day. How's the writing, by the way? It's getting there. That's nice to hear. I'm juggling a lot of work. Barely made my deadlines. I don't know if I can keep this up. Why don't you just come clean? Tell your boss about the publishing's offer. Who knows, maybe she'll understand. Yeah, right. Great job for you. Here, take some money. Go take a vacation and finish your novel. In your dreams. I'm not exactly employee of the month. You never know. You never know. I might end up on the chopping block. Oh, the pressure. I'm sure about one thing though. This coffee shop has a lot of stories to tell. Oh yeah, I'll probably be back tomorrow. The door is always open for you. I bet it is. Okay then, take care. Be careful on your way home. Oh dear, I love this game so much. Reading, then oh man, I can't explain it. Okay, this is the end of the episode, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But